it's Brianna. Today's video is a summertime cleaning routine. You can put this video on any day that you're looking for clean motivation and just a quick to-do list so that your home gets nice, clean, tidy, and back in order so that you can enjoy this summer. First thing we're going to do is throw in a load of laundry.
World in action, what we can be, life with no distractions, we'll get away. This is what we waited for.
Next in the summer cleaning routine, make your bed. It's just the easiest way to keep your bedroom looking nice, clean, and tidy.
Miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out, die with my own doubts. Be free with me.
And then what I love to do so that everything smells really fresh and clean, I just use some of my Cabin Queen room freshener. Spray this all over that freshly made bed. And now it smells so sweet and clean in here.
Not looking back, eyes on the freeway, Bonnie and Clyde, a classic cliche. We're on the run, this is what we waited for. Oh, yeah. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out, die with my own doubts. Be free with me. Be free. Be free with me. Be free.
Beds are all made. Smells so amazing here. I use this sweet citrus agave smell and it just smells so clean and summery and sweet and zesty. I love it. But we're gonna head into the bathroom next. Okay, so here's what I like to use in the bathroom to clean it every single day. Again, I'm not doing a super deep clean. If you want that extreme cleaning motivation, I have lots of those videos where I do a full, thorough, deeper clean. This is just my everyday to sort of keep up on it. So I like to use the Clorox Ultra Foamer in the sinks. I like to then use the Clorox wipes. I love this scent. It's the Pacific Breeze and Coconut for on all the handles in the bathroom. And then just to kind of wipe down the counters and anything that needs wiped down in here, I'm using the Spa Day multi-surface cleaner. It goes really nicely with the other scent and it just makes it smell so nice and clean and relaxing in here.
What's your story? What's your sign? It's like we're twin flames in a different life. Deep connection lights a spark. It's like you know me in the depths of my heart. We're dreamers. Don't care what other people say. We live it like this could be a fun.
Oh my gosh, it smells so good. And I will just, when I'm kind of doing this every day, make sure that everything looks nice and clean until I do a good deep clean in here, make sure toilet paper is stocked, all that kind of stuff. This clean is way more about just keeping your home tidy and functioning until a rainy day when you can do those deep cleans. Because in the summer, you just want your home to be like put together, tidy enough that if someone pops over, everything is fine. But you want to be outside and enjoying the beautiful weather and doing all the fun things. So that's why I wanted you to be able to just put on this video every single day, do this fast routine with me so you can get out and get to living life and enjoying the beautiful weather. And I know Spa Day is running low in stock, so get this scent before it's gone.
Deep connection lights a spark. You already know me when we dance in the dark. We're dreamers. We live it like this could be a fun day. We're dreamers. We're doing this in our way.
While we were cleaning, my ButcherBox order came. Huge thank you to ButcherBox for sponsoring today's video. I don't know about you, but I have been trying to eat a high protein diet, so I'm getting a lot of different meats when I go to the grocery store. And And I just don't like the quality. Like, I feel like it doesn't taste very good sometimes, or I feel like to get better quality meat, I'm paying so much more. Like when I want 100% grass-fed beef, I'm paying so much. And obviously, especially for the kids, I want to make sure I'm getting chicken and any kind of meat that has no hormones added, no antibiotics. It's just really important to me to feed like the best quality food and meats to my kids. And that's why I love Butcher Box, because all of their meats, there's no hormones ever, there's no antibiotics. Any of their fish, it's wild caught. Their beef is all 100% grass-fed beef. It's just, you're getting the best quality of meat possible. And when I compared the prices of my Butcher Box to what I was spending at the grocery store, I'm saving so much money. So seriously, I have a link down in my description box below. Use that link and just compare like what you're paying every single month at the grocery store to the cost of Butcher Box. And I mean, I'm saving so much money, and I have enough food in this box. It lasts me an entire month, because I'll just, you know, take a couple of things out that I need for the recipes over the next few days. Everything else goes in the freezer, and I just use it over the course of the month. But here, I'll share what's in my box today with you. I've got some salmon. I've got some ground beef, again 100% grass-fed beef. This is for like tacos and burgers. And then I've got some steak tips in here. I've got chicken tenders. I love to make these for the kids in the air fryer. I've got chicken breasts. I have chicken thighs. I've got, what are these? Grass-fed beef sirloin steaks. I've got a round roast that I love making pot roast with this. Again, go use my link down in the description box below and just compare the prices to what you're paying at the grocery store for meat that probably isn't as good of quality as Butcher Box is always going to guarantee you. Shipping is always free. It's so convenient to have it delivered right to my doorstep every single month. But right now, Butcher Box has an amazing deal for you. If you use the link down in my description box below, you get chicken breast, steak tips, or salmon for free in every single box for a year when you try Butcher Box. So be sure to use my link and see the Butcher Box difference. And thank you again to Butcher Box for sponsoring today's video. And I did a quick cycle, so it's actually already time to change out the laundry.
We've been on and off again and again. I don't know which way we're going, no control. You push me, then you pull me back in. Don't know if I can decipher how your mind works. Yeah, you leave me wondering what it's like to feel your skin. I will keep on trying till you give me a sign. Give me a sign. Oh, give me a sign. Baby, give me a sign. Just give me one more.
Moving downstairs to make sure that the kitchen area and the living room area and just sort of like the downstairs in general is nice and tidy.
Risking go for it, cause I want you close. I'm so exposed when you're keeping me wondering. You know I'd do anything to be in your arms again. So give me a sign. Give me a sign. Oh, give me a sign. Baby, give me a sign. Just give me one more talking to you, and here we go again. Staying up all night to see if you've been texting me. Where do we go from here? I wanna go all in. So give me a sign. Give me a sign.
And same as in the bedrooms, I love spraying the room freshener on the couch and the throw pillows and blankets, because then it just smells so fresh and clean in here.
Say you think about it too, when the lights go out and there's no doubt that I should be with, that I should be. We've been on and off again and again. I don't know which way we're going, no control. You push me, then you pull me back in. We've been on and off again and again. I don't know which way we're going, no control. You push me, then you pull me back in. So give me a sign. Give me a sign. Oh baby, just give me a sign. Baby, give me a sign. Just give texting me. Where do we go from here? I wanna go all in. So give me a sign. Yeah, give me a sign. Yeah, give me a sign. Just give me a sign. Baby, give me a sign. Give me a sign. Just give me a sign. Just give me a sign. Give me a sign. Just give me one more.
And if there's signs of visible crumbs, dirt, whatever on the floors, that's when I hit it with my mop vac. And with kids, that usually means the family room, the kitchen, and around the entryways of the house. I just kind of need to do a daily quick little sweep.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know, if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down. Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know, if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down.
And I feel like every day it will make it so much smoother if you fold at least one load of laundry. So let's get to folding.
Did you ever stop and think, why spend too much time just getting ready? Let me be honest, I don't know a single thing that I haven't done to make you notice me. Let me be real here. When I see you, my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing and playing and waiting around. It's a shame that my hands start shaking all of the time when you're around me.
I mean, why didn't bother trying to fold this? Oh, there we go.
To love, oh, nah, 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 nah. Don't you see what's wrong with me? I need somebody to love, oh, oh, nah, nah. I don't know what I could say to convince you to hang around when you don't have to. There's so much that I'm still keeping to myself, 'cause you don't listen, babe.
Sending other thing I will do every single day is keep up on the dishes, whether it's doing the dishes that are in the sink or unloading the dishwasher. Today I actually didn't have any dishes to do. I'd already done them this morning after breakfast, but the dishwasher is full, so I'm just gonna run the dishwasher. And finally, take out the trash.
What's bothering me? I need somebody to love. Oh, na 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 na. Don't you see?
All right, that is the end of today's summer cleaning routine video. I hope that you put this video on whenever you need that clean motivation this summer, and so that you can get into a nice and easy cleaning routine. If you have any other video requests for summer, let me know down in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye, loves.
Why don't you come on over?